Alright boys, welcome back to another video. In last video we got impounded. And I got court in the next couple days. As you know me, Davey, it can't be a banger video without a banger day. So here it goes. What is up boys? We're with the Yozma Mark right now and he's about to pull up. Sheesh. What up bro? Being bike.
Thank you.
You got the upgraded fender. Literally, it doesn't even look stock. It looks very upgraded, but alright. So we're about to hang out. We're gonna make the best out of today. So stay tuned because in a couple of days I gotta go to court, and we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, I know I'm good, because I use my front brake.
Boy, this guy is actually insane. Alright boys, so I'm with my friends Yozma right here, and we'll see if I can wheelie. I learned how to wheelie 125, and we'll see if I can still wheelie on an electric bike. I haven't rode in quite a while, so we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, I would say that was a proper wheelie, the last one I just did. Well there you go, that's Yozma, me wheeling a Yozma. Alright boys, so Mark is about to try to drop back and see how far back he can go. You can find me on TikTok, Yozma, and on YouTube, Yozma as well. Alright bro, that concludes it. Successful day.
Yep.
video, we got impounded riding pit bikes in the streets. Alright guys, so I was getting impounded. How was it? Basically, they sent me a letter a few days later that I have to go to court. It's a required attendance, and here we are. And yeah, we'll see how it goes.
J'avais dessiné sur le sable son doux visage qui me souriait. Puis il a sur cette plage, dans cet orage, elle a disparu. Et j'ai crié pour qu'elle revienne. Et j'ai pleuré. J'avais trop de peine. Je me suis assis auprès de son âme. Mais la belle dame.
Alright guys, so the court session just got dismissed. We're back out here again, and the judge said I'll learn my lesson and got dismissed. But that's it. See you guys in a bit.